Honestly, it's exciting. I think all astronauts are explorers at heart, and having the opportunity to contribute to furthering exploration is a great opportunity. My family's been braced for this. I've been braced for this. It's something that we expected, and honestly, it's got a sense of novelty to it for me. It's a new experience, and I'm looking forward to, as a human being, understanding how it feels to do something like this. Well, first of all, I don't think it's a record that I would even attribute to me. It's a record for our space program. I have a tremendous amount of respect for Scott and Christina both, and I know they would both be extremely happy, as the explorers that they are, to see that we're furthering exploration. We're getting people into space for longer and longer periods of time. I expect this record to be broken, and that will be a further success for our space program. So there is certainly a very, very important psychological element. And for example, I try to spend some time meditating every day, talking to my family every day. I talk to my wife almost every day. Those things are hugely helpful. So not just being comfortable with yourself, but maintaining those connections to with the relationships we have on the ground that are so important to us is super, super important as well. So what we're doing, in effect, is practicing keeping people healthy on a long trip through space where people don't have the force of the Earth's surface resisting us from being in this, what I, again, call a free fall. So we're practicing for missions like that right now. The big difference is when we get our first folks to Mars, we're not going to have a staff of nurses and doctors there to make sure we're healthy and take care of us. No one's going to be there to help us extract us out of the spacecraft. We've got to make sure that astronauts are healthy enough to take care of all of those things on their own when they're very far away from Mother Earth. So being able to contribute to that is something I will always be very, very proud of.